Is it time to buy or sell Berkshire stock? In this video, we will explore Berkshire in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 5th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Berkshire as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.80. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 0.04%. This results in an average return of 0.02% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower part of a strong rising trend in the short term, which typically presents an excellent buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $507.55 is breached, it will first indicate a slower rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 10.18% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 9.15% and 19.89%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 26.39%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 18.04% to 33.40% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price between $604.78 and $683.42. Our latest daily update for Berkshire includes the headline, Berkshire stock price up 351 thousandths of a percent on Tuesday. The Berkshire stock price gained 351 thousandths of a percent on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025. It rose from $512.15 to $512.33. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.53%, with a day low at $507.99 and a day high of $515.75. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, resulting in a loss of 1.62% over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 11 million shares, with a total of 5 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.51 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $542.07, while the lowest price was $401.58. Currently, the price is 5.49%, or $29.74, below the 52-week high of $542.07, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Berkshire Hathaway Class B shares are experiencing notable activity amid recent market fluctuations as small investors rush to purchase over $24 million worth of these shares on Monday. This surge in retail investment occurs despite concerns about uncertainty following Warren Buffett's upcoming retirement. The iconic CEO announced he will step down at the end of 2025, with Greg Abel set to take over, prompting investors to reassess the company's strategic direction. In its latest earnings report, Berkshire revealed a decline in revenues, although it boasted $300 billion in cash reserves, indicating a strong liquidity position. The company is currently focused on generating interest income rather than making significant equity investments, which may signal a cautious approach during turbulent market conditions. Market analysts suggest that this period of uncertainty may present buying opportunities, especially given Berkshire's diversified portfolio and stable cash generation capabilities. In the short term, the company may face pressure as investor sentiment reacts to Buffett's exit and broader market fears, potentially impacting stock prices negatively. However, in the long run, Berkshire's ability to adapt under Abel's leadership, along with its established strategy in renewable energy and smart acquisitions, should position it favorably, fostering resilience and growth beyond the immediate turmoil. This dual impact of short-term fluctuations versus long-term strategic positioning will be crucial for investors to consider as they evaluate Berkshire Hathaway's Class B shares moving forward. Analysts have assigned Berkshire stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Berkshire. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume declined during the last trading day, even though prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, serving as a potential early warning. It's advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence its short-term development. The Berkshire stock currently indicates sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $527.61 and $523.48. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, the 2nd of May, 2020, and so far, the stock has declined by 5.09%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 21 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 73 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 65 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Berkshire. Berkshire finds support from accumulated volume at $512.15, a level that may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. This stock typically experiences good trading volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is considered low. Over the last day, the stock moved $7.76, which is 1.53% between its high and low. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.92%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for Berkshire, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $4.72. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Berkshire. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Berkshire is at $515.81. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Berkshire encounters its first support level at $512.15. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Berkshire from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 12th of January, 2024, when John Adgett executed an insider sale of 28 shares of Class B common stock. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Berkshire stock a good buy? The Berkshire stock exhibits several negative indicators, and, despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that Berkshire will experience weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, our assessment of this stock remains unfavorable. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 7th of May, we expect Berkshire to open lower by 307 one-thousandths of a dollar, starting at $512.02. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important that you do not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.